In this video I will show you how to download and install the HP Deskjet 2050 all-in-one printer. Driver. Open Google Charam and in the search bar, type HP Deskjet 2050 printer driver. From the search results, click on the official HP website for your printer. Scroll down to the driver section and look for the appropriate driver for your printer model. You may see multiple options, so make sure to select the latest version. Click on the download button next to the driver. The driver file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Connect your HP Deskjet 2050 all-in-one printer to your computer via USB cable. Your computer should automatically detect the printer and install any necessary drivers. Once your printer is successfully installed, you can start using it to print, scan, and copy documents.